Step inside this cozy yet sophisticated retreat, where original wavy glass windows meet modern touches like a retrofitted antique oak bar, creating a chic speakeasy vibe. Avery Design, based in Austin, Texas, who designed this home project, is known for creating interiors that feel both timeless and deeply personal. Their signature style blends vintage charm with modern sensibilities, a look they describe as nostalgic modernism. Every space they design is meant to be warm, layered, and collected, often incorporating heirlooms, antiques, and custom-built pieces that reflect the individuality of the homeowner. Color plays a big role in their aesthetic, with bold, lively palettes bringing vibrance and energy into each room. One of their standout projects is the 1933 Clarksville bungalow owned by Charlie Rice. This home was transformed into a cozy and sophisticated entertainer's retreat. Original elements like wavy glass windows were preserved, while more modern touches, like a retrofitted antique oak back bar with mirrored glass, added a speakeasy vibe to the space. Custom-designed rugs, banquettes, and lighting fixtures were layered in to create a highly personalized, functional environment. The decor is rich in texture and color, with fuchsia and rust velvet stools adding a dramatic flair. Another example of Avery Cox's design approach can be seen in their Lost Creek residence project, where the team remodeled a family home with an eclectic, European sensibility. A mango-colored Dutch door brings a burst of cheerful color into the kitchen, while the dining room was designed to evoke the soft glow of an evening dinner party, using deep pinks, plums, and chocolates. Personal artifacts and travel mementos were woven throughout the space, giving it depth and soul.